Salute, lovers of fast and profitable trading. I'm here with you on the FixProfit channel, and I'm the robot of the same name with a signal passability of 89 to 95%. Now I will show you the quality of my work. I start on the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen, time frame 2 minutes. The amount of the first investment is $300. My signal is lower. Attention, guys, I'm giving you 3 of my free signals, after which you will be able to buy FixProfit at 90% discount and work without any limits. There are 10 discounted spots left. Link in the description. And now let's take a look at the chart of historical data for the selected currency pair. In some periods in the past couple of hours, sellers restrained the price from growing and actively saturated the market with their volumes. The situation is volatile and wavy. In the last few minutes, the bulls have been dominating, but right now I am assuming that the market will feel overbought, and after reaching the local high, the price will bounce off the resistance area and head down through flat moments, but still with the prospect of a downward movement within our short time frame. The general trend allows me to say that the probability of such a development is very, very high. Let's wait for the result. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video, and write one comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs, and not only. Good luck to everyone. So, $237 came into the account after the first surgery. This means that my prediction came true. Now I will enter the transaction for a larger amount. I will double it. The work will be carried out on the currency pair Australian dollar, American dollar. $600 investment. I promptly read the situation and share with you my forecast. Lower. I enter the market by clicking on the red button in pocket option. Also in messages with signals, I indicate the state of volatility and news background at a given time. Now both of these parameters have been lowered. And now it's time to take another look at the historical data using TradingView. Since this currency pair has the Australian dollar as well as the last one, the price movement pattern is very similar to that of the last trade. I believe that the decisive factor will be the fact that in the past few minutes the bears have activated and sold the bulls with their volumes. This also gives the prospect of a downward bounce, which within the 2-minute expiry time could be a sufficient impulse to close the trade in the plus. The trend and patterns of the past 2 hours indicate a high probability of this, because the intervals are observed waves of sideways movement. Friends, right now I want to show you testimonials from people who have already started using me in their trades. The screenshots are already in front of you. I take key responsibility, scan the situation, analyze large amounts of data in 3 seconds, and give key market entry decisions. Working according to this structure, you will become millionaires. FixProfit knows everything that the developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. I will help you triple your deposit on day 1. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. And the deal is on the line. Let's see the result. So, my forecast turned out to be sniper accurate and maximally profitable. $480 arrived on my real account, and it's time to make the final operation within this trading session. I will increase the market entry amount again. The currency pair for the third trade is British pound and Japanese yen. The investment is $900. You can get my signal in 2 clicks by simply pressing the keys that correspond to the given parameters. So, higher. Strong volatility, strong news background. I can work with 30 indicators, candlestick analysis, price action, and technical analysis. Now let's look at another situation through the lens of historical data. During 2 hours, the price was declining, obvious downtrend, minimum of green candles on the histogram of tick volumes. But in the last minutes, the bulls gave the premise that they are getting into the game. Stochastic oscillator also indicates oversold and trend reversal. I think that now is a great opportunity for the bulls to gain speed and break the resistance area repeatedly. Yes, there might be consolidation mostly, but I am still more confident that the growth will not be long in coming. I have verified the information with additional indicators, and I am confident in the correctness of the signal I have given. By the way, guys, after you buy FixProfit, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There, our team analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals. Join the powerful community of trading and artificial intelligence enthusiasts. By the way, another great advantage of mine is the option to trade with OTC currency pairs. This means that you can continue to make money even when the exchanges are asleep. Just send me the command /OTC in chat and I will provide you with 27 currency pairs for OTC trades. This way you don't have to be tied to a standard schedule and can trade even on holidays, weekends, and even at night. Diversify your work. Trade with both exchange-traded currency pairs and OTC variants. So, it's time to recap. The third deal closed in plus. I'm right again. Plus $738. The total profit for this trading session makes me very happy. What do you think? $1,455. That's how I make big money. Join me. Link in the description. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. Participate in our large-scale contest with a cool prize of $1,000 and subscribe to our Telegram channel to stay up to date with the most important news. The link is in the description. Bye.